Respected Principal Sir, teachers, my dear students, today we are celebrating National Sports Day on the on August 29th. India celebrates its National Sports Day. That day celebrates to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. The main objective of National Sports Day is to spread awareness of the importance of sports and daily activities in every individual life. National Sports Day also stress the need to stay fit and healthy. History of National Sports Day. National Sports Day is also known the Rashtriya Khel Divas. The day was first inducted into the list of celebratory day in the year 2012. National Sports Day is the center of attraction of sports lovers of the country. The main reason behind celebrating National Sports Day lies in championing the spirit of sportsmanship and propagating the message of various sports. Who is Dhyan Chand? Dhyan Chand Singh is popularly known as the Wizard of India Hockey. Dhyan was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. He was regarded as prodigy in the field of hockey. He has scored over 400 international goals and 1,000 goals in the entire career in 22 years during the period of 1926 to 1948. Dhyan Chand is regarded as India's greatest hockey player ever. Under the leadership of Dhyan Chand, the Indian hockey team has achieved several victories. He has led India into 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. By winning the Olympic gold medal on 3 occasions, he marked his position in the pages of history. During the 1936 Berlin Olympics, in the outset of World War II, Adolf Hitler was visibly impressed by seeing his hockey ke Jadugar, meaning wizard at play. Dhyan Chand is remembered his tactics, refusal saluting the great dictator during the hockey finals against Germany in 1936. Hitler was overwhelmed by Singh's performance and he decided to buy Singh's hockey stick out of admiration for the 3-time Olympic gold medalist. How is National Sports Day celebrated? The birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand is celebrated extensively at the national level. The Government of India pay tribute to such a legendary player by celebrating his birthday since 2012 on the National Sports Day. The President of India gives out of all sports related awards like the Arjuna, Dronacharya and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna to honor sportspersons and coaches who have made the nation proud of other services their respective sports. The day is celebrated football tournaments held across the country. In the first year of celebration, FICCI held sporting events all across India with the help of Ministry of Youth Affairs and other sports bodies. On this special day, players from different age groups take part in various sports events like kabaddi, marathon, basketball, hockey, etc. Every year, 2 athletes are nominated by the selection committee for Khel Ratna Sports Awards in the highest sporting honor in the country. On this day, friends and families gather together and remember the greatest field hockey player of all time and root their favorite athletics. Fit India movement. In 2012, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched Fit India campaign on the occasion of National Sports Day. The nationwide campaign aims to encourage people to inculcate physical activities and sports in their everyday lives. Under this, a committee comprised by several government officials, members of Indian Olympic Association, National Sports Federation, private bodies, and fitness promoters was formed to advise the government on the Fit India movement. The 28 members committee is headed of the chairmanship of Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju. Among the members of the committee, 12 officials are from the government, including secretaries of sports, secondary education, Ayush Youth Affairs, among others. As per the guidelines of CBSE, fitness plans to incorporate the same in students and staff daily physical activities has been planned. Under the campaign of the Fit India movement, many events are held. It aims to make students realize that they are citizens of democratic country which is diverse in terms of culture and religion, but there is unity of diversity. Traditional games were played by students and teachers also. Facts about Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand helped the Indian hockey team to win 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. He had joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 and retired with the rank of Major in 1956. The legends say that Adolf Hitler had offered Dhyan Chand Germany citizenship and a position in the Germany military following his brilliant performance in the 1936 Berlin Olympics. In 2002, the National Hockey Stadium in Delhi was renamed as Dhyan Chand National Stadium to honor the hockey legend. Sir Broadman, one of the greatest batsmen of all time, on seeing Dhyan Chand said, "You score goals like runs." Jai Hind.
Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear children. Today we are celebrating National Sports Day. It's August 29th. Why we are celebrating National Sports Day on August 29th? What is the significance of this date? On this date, our hockey legend and magician Dhyan Chand born on this date, August 29, 1905 at Allahabad. His father was Someshwar Singh and his mother Shraddha Singh. Dhyan Chand's name is Dhyan Singh. How the Dhyan Singh name changed as Dhyan Chand? There is a story behind this. His father is in Indian British Army, and because of his frequent transfers, his studies.
Our today's chief guest, Shri Sudhakar Garu, our fit PETs, B. Kiran Reddy Garu, Muhammad Farooq Garu, my dear teachers and children, a very happy National Sports Day 2020. Today, in this situation, COVID-19, we are celebrating his birthday online. I wish you all a very happy National Sports Day. Today we remember the efforts of Major Dhyan Chand in hockey, which gave us 3 gold medals in Olympic Games. And in the starting era of Olympics, India got 7 gold medals due to his efforts and motivation in Indian hockey. He was a true champion in hockey. He approximately played 150 hockey games and he scored more than 550 goals. He was a goal champion. One incident I remember, I was reading a book related to his biography, and in this biography I read one incident which I would share with you. That during the Olympic game final in 1936, when India was playing against Germany and India lost the match, in which India did not play well, and Major Dhyan Chand, who was the captain of Indian team, was worried about the final match in Germany. That match was played in Berlin and Germany was the host team, and Hitler, the dictator of Germany, was very much interested to see the win of Germany as a champion of Olympic Games in 1936. But it was a true leadership of Major Dhyan Chand who put Germany into the back seat by winning the match by 7-1. Out of 7, 6 goals were done by Major Dhyan Chand. And he was very impressed. Mr. Hitler was very impressed by his match winning strategy and goals. And he offered to come to Germany and join as a field marshal, which was a very respectable post in army in Germany. But he refused and he said, I am a true Indian and I would stay in India only. So this incident tells us the feelings of a Major Dhyan Chand, that how patriotic he was and how much love towards the hockey he had. India and hockey, both were in his heart, and today his efforts and his spirit is being loved by all India. Today on this day, I appeal all the children and parents and teachers to make ourselves fit, not for ourselves, for our country. अगर जिताना है इंडिया को तो हमें अपने आप को फिट रखना होगा. फिट रखने से ही कोविड-19 जैसी पैंडेमिक जब कभी भी आएगी तो हम इंडिया को फिट रख करके इंडिया को हर कदम पर आगे लेके जा सकेंगे. सो आपसे सभी से ये अपील है कि आप भारत के लिए, अपने समाज के लिए आज इस दिन ये प्रण करें कि हम अपने आप को फिट रखेंगे और आगे लेकर के जाएंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय भारती.
Respected principal, staff, dear students, parents and the gathering. I P.S. Sudhakar, presently working as school assistant physical education at ZPH School Raghapuram, Chintalapudi Mandal, West Godavari district. Previously worked as a lecturer in physical education at the most prestigious and one and only Government College of Physical Education, Gopalnapalam, West Godavari district, AP, for 7 years. Then I was nominated as a sports coordinator in the year 2015 and worked for 4 years. Now I am working as a School Games Federation Secretary in West Godavari district. I authored Physical Literacy Level 4 book and I attended so many national and international seminars on physical education and sports sciences. Recently I submitted my research thesis at Acharya Nagarjuna University. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, myself B. Hansini of class 7th from KV Guntur, I am going to say about National Sports Day. Today is a very special day. Do you know why? Because today is our National Sports Day. National Sports Day is a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand Singh, who was a legendary hockey player of India. Let us know a little more about Major Dhyan Chand Singh. He was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad. He was called Wizard of Hockey for his intelligent, ball controlling skill. He is considered as one of the greatest hockey players in the history of hockey. He earned 3 Olympic gold medals in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936 in the field of hockey. Major Dhyan Chand scored more than 400 international goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. And in his entire career, he scored more than 1,000 goals. Major Dhyan Chand, such a great player, Government of India decided to honor this legendary sports person by celebrating his birthday as National Sports Day. Since 2012, the occasion of the National Sports Day, the President of India gives national awards to the respective winners, along with highest sports award, which is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, and Dhyan Chand Award is also given on this day. As a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand, the National Stadium of Delhi was also renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. National Sports Day to spread awareness about importance of sports and games in our life, and also to salute to the sports spirit of India, which hold our tricolor flag always high. And wish you all a very happy National Sports Day. But unfortunately this year, due to COVID pandemic situation, we cannot celebrate National Sports Day. Many of us are staying at home and sitting down more than we usually do. It's hard for a lot of us to do the sort of exercise we normally do. But at a time like this, it is very important for people of all ages and abilities to be as active as possible. Regarding this, World Health Organization had launched so many campaigns which aims us to be active and to have some fun. At that time, I am telling a few tips to stay fit during this COVID-19. As we are not going outside, we have to do indoor exercises. Just taking a short break from sitting down by doing light intensity physical movement such as walking, stretching, will help our muscles and improve blood circulation regularly. Regular physical activities benefits both for body as well as mind. It can reduce high blood pressure and various cancers. We can do yoga to keep fit. At the same time, we can reduce tensions, depressions. At the end, I would like to say that stay home, stay safe, stay fit. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Most respected principal sir, beloved teachers, and my dear children, and everybody, very good morning to all of you. I am GVR Murthy, PGT Physics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Guntur. And today, in connection with National Sports Day, July 29th, I would like to share my views about the fitness and wellness Fit KVN SBSB program launched by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangam. As all of you know very well, fitness and wellness mostly are taken in the same sense, but there is a lot of difference between these two. Fitness, if aims at only the physical fitness, physical strength and physical health, wellness aims at many modalities like the feelings of physical, mental, social, emotional, psychological, financial, all these feelings are covered under wellness. They are encapsulated by this wellness. Whereas physical fitness is the aim of fitness. Physical strength only is the aim of fitness. And to cater all these feelings, we need wellness. And wellness aims at the balancing of all these feelings. And any imbalance of these feelings will create a lot of disturbance and imbalance in all the other modalities affecting the wellness of the being. So fitness and wellness, once the gap between these two, the major difference between these two is understood, we can now aim at fitness and wellness both. As I said, fitness is only physical strength aims at. But to balance all these modalities, we need lot of practice. Attitude is one among them which changes all our lifestyle.
And this fitness and wellness could be achieved only through sports. And the government aimed at this fitness and wellness among the school children because they are the foundation of the nation in the days to come. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi had rightly launched the app Fit KVN SBSB for the school children of Kendriya Vidyalayas in our country and abroad. It aims at the assessment of the school children, where the assessment of fitness of the cards are being prepared at every stage, right from class 1 to class 12. And these cards are assessed, analyzed by the doctors wherever the problems are there, and the children are made good citizens to serve the nation in all respects. More than 11.2 lakhs school children of Kendriya Vidyalayas in our country from about 1200 and odd Kendriya Vidyalayas are getting benefit out of it. So it is rightly once again launched by the government, and this can be achieved only with the cooperation of the parents first, the students themselves, and the teachers and the administrators. And we are all doing the best in the schools by conducting different games and sports. Not only just conducting the games and sports, we are focusing on creating, inculcating the modalities listed just now. Oneness. Oneness is the most important attitude to be developed among the children. That is being done. Sportsmanship, whether we win or lose, is not the main criteria. Sportsmanship is also inculcated by all of us during the games and sports. If physical fitness alone is achieved, probably wellness cannot be achieved. If wellness is achieved, then fitness also can be achieved. That's why the launching program SBSB, which means Swasth Bache, Swasth Bharat, correctly said. If the children are healthy in all respects, particularly mentally, socially, emotionally, financially, in all these aspects, if the children are fit, which can be done through games and sports in the schools, then we definitely can achieve the target launched by the Honorable Prime Minister, Swasth Bache, Swasth Bharat. Let us all join our hands to make this dream to come true in the days to come. Jai Hind. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं 12वीं कक्षा की छात्र तन्वी जहान आज आपके सामने कोविड-19 में खुद को फिट रखने के लिए आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना होगा, यहाँ उन पर एक नजर डाल लीजिए ताकि आप स्वस्थ और खुश रहें। अपने हाथों को साबुन या सैनिटाइजर से 20 सेकेंड तक धोइए। बाहर घूमने मत जाओ। अपने मुंह को मास्क से ढके। गले लगने से या हाथ मिलाने से दूर रहो। महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि यदि आपकी रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता मजबूत है तो आप किसी भी बीमारी से लड़ सकते हैं और कोई भी बीमारी आप पर हानि नहीं हो सकती, चाहे वो कोरोना वायरस ही क्यों न हो। वही जो लोग खुद को फिट रखने के लिए जिम जाते हैं, उनके लिए इस समय थोड़ी असुविधा है, लेकिन यदि रोज व्यायाम करते हैं तो इस समय जिम जाने के कारण आपकी एक्सरसाइज छूट रही है तो इससे परेशान होने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है। आपको बताती हूँ कि कैसे आप घर में ही रहकर फिट रह सकते हैं। साथ ही इन योगासनों से आपका इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम भी मजबूत होगा और बस व्यायाम करने से ही नहीं, पौष्टिक आहार भी होनी चाहिए। इससे बचने के लिए हाई एंटीवायरल फूड और आपकी डाइट में शामिल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये चीज़ें इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को बूस्ट करेगी और कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए मददगार हो सकती है। नारियल का तेल। घर में खाना बनाते समय नारियल का तेल इस्तेमाल करना ज्यादा बेहतर होगा। इसमें लैक्टिक एसिड और सैलिसिलिक एसिड होता है जो आपकी इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ा देगा। विटामिन सी भी एंटीऑक्सीडेंट से भरपूर है, इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को बेहतर बनाने में काम आएगा। इसके अलावा बाजार में मिलने वाली हरी सब्जियों को भी कच्चा ना खाए। सब्जियों को उन्हें अच्छी तरह से धोकर, काट कर, उबाले और फिर खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करें। घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए।
और खेलना चाहते हैं हम, खूब खेलो।